Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I have recorded a short video for you. Let's see. A client has come to us who has been pushed back in the ITV, of course. They have given him a serious fault, illegal modification in the engine. Look what the illegal modification is. Cancellation of the EGR. You see, the ITV has gone through with the EGR cancelled. In addition, at first glance, what we have done has been to put this vehicle on it, that is the hose, there the sleeve goes. They have put a screw because the vacuum enters it and the EGR is cancelled. Also electronically, what we have done is in the ITV they have already realized this. Since it has been to join the sleeve to the EGR and activate it electronically and above it does not give a fault, that is, the one that had this car previously, because the EGR should have cancelled it because it stained the intake manifold, but I already say, that now the ITV has already passed with it and without further ado problem. Okay. I already say that this is illegal, but hey, each person with their car does what they EGR. What happens is that if you are going to pass the ITV with the EGR cancelled and on top of that you show it to the ITV, you show him that you have it cancelled like this, well, here you have this video. If it has been of interest, because do not forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.